Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome to my channel, Nived Love and Gratitude. Today, I'll be sharing with you all one of the best technique to program water that we drink or use for cooking. It's nothing new, but an old technique that often is conducted in temples, churches, or other places of worship by the priest. Holy water which is offered in these holy places of worship is often charged with positivity, mantras, and high vibrational prayers. In similar way, we too can charge the water that we use or drink daily. We all know that water is life and our body is composed of 70% water. Water has ability to retain a memory. This is not a superstition, but is scientifically proven. Water is one of the best mediums for transmitting information and energy inside our body. Let's see how can we do that. Pour yourself a glass of water or take a filled water bottle. Sit in a comfortable position. Now write down the words or the affirmation on a piece of paper. Paste this paper onto the glass or the bottle with the words facing in so that the water inside can read it. Now hold the glass or the bottle with both your hands. Close your eyes and look into the water, whichever is preferred by you, and focus all your attention on your affirmation. Communicate the pure intention that you wish the water to carry. Do this for at least 30 seconds to 1 minute. Once you have finished, the water is now ready. You can drink it at one go or you can sip it throughout the day. But remember, as you drink the water, always feel gratitude towards it. You must be thinking, what type of affirmations or words can you use to charge the water? You should always use affirmations in present tense. You can use simple and short affirmations like I am happy and healthy, I am loved and accepted by all is well in my world, or simply 2 words like love and gratitude. Along with the healthy food that you eat every day, make sure that you drink this supercharged water so that you get a double benefit. You can also energize water used for cooking purposes at home. Follow the same steps with the water storage containers in your home. Drink it yourself and also serve this supercharged water to your family members. So now, the next time you pick up a glass or a water bottle, don't forget to affirm with pure intention. Hope you liked my video. If you are new to my channel, do subscribe, hit the thumbs up button, and don't forget to share amongst your family and friends. Thank you and bye.